Ever wondered how to upload your own audio or pre-recorded voice in Canva to make your design sound more personal and unique? Well, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple steps. No confusion, no extra tools needed. Let's get started. First, open your project in Canva. This can be anything: a video, a presentation, or even a social media post that supports audio. Now, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with different options like Elements, Text, and Uploads. Click on Uploads. Inside the Upload section, you'll find an Upload Files button. Click on it, and a window will open where you can browse and select your pre-recorded audio file from your device. Canva supports common audio formats like MP3 and WAV. Alternatively, if you already have the file ready, you can simply drag and drop it straight into the Uploads area. Canva will automatically start uploading it for you. Once your audio is uploaded, head over to the Audio tab under Uploads. You'll now see your file listed there. From here, you can click directly on your audio to add it to your project timeline. After adding it, you can trim, adjust the volume, fade in or out, and align it perfectly with your visuals. This is great for syncing your voiceovers, background music, or even sound effects. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and used your own audio in Canva. Quick, easy, and super effective for giving your designs a professional touch. If you found this helpful, make sure to try it out on your next Canva project and see how much difference a custom audio track can make. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.